I have a pretty good collection of Boss pedals I don't make anymore, and I thought it'd be fun to share some. Here's one of my favorites. Today we're going to check out the Boss Combo Drive, a pedal Boss no longer makes. This pedal was supposed to be a Vox sounding pedal. When this pedal came out, they came out with the stack, or maybe it was called the Power Stack. I don't know. And anyways, that was the Marshall, and this was the Vox. So first thing, I'm going to show you the clean sound. I have my Fender Supersonic here in clean, and we'll turn it down just a hair. And of course my Gibson SG. So it has a level bass and treble control. It's very straightforward. We're just going to run the controls straight up in the air, and then it has what's called the sound control, which has clean and then to drive. And what they do is it starts at clean and then it goes crunch and drive. And I'm going to show you that how I think they anticipated we would use it. Turn it on, it's in clean mode. So as you can see, that's the clean on the amp. This is the clean on the pedal. And maybe turn it up a little bit. Okay, without it. That's without the pedal. So the clean on the pedal warms up the amp. It feels... I like it better than the clean on the amp. It has a warming effect, and I'm sure that has to do with the EQ, although, like I said, I am running it flat. As we turn this knob up, you're gonna get more drive. And maybe in this world, maybe in this light drive, you're getting some kind of Vox thing, I don't know. Now here's where the pedal kind of falls apart for me. As we go past the crunch control, we get into this. See, I still think we're in usable territory. I could definitely see where This pedal has what I like to call the Boss Fizz effect. It's got a very Boss has a very 90s, 80s fizz kind of tone on their overdrives, and they haven't been able to shed that off over the years, it seems like. But anyways, this is what it has. But I'm going to keep going, and now we're not at full bore, but definitely you'll see a difference. Now, when playing chords, I really don't like this. It's nasal, it's got a weird tone to it, it's a lot of fizz. I'm actually going to take it to 10. This is volume 10 now. But here's something it does that is really cool. When you play individual notes, it almost has a fuzz harmonic overtone. And that I love. So if I was using for a solo, I would be and I love this pedal for that. But there's more to the pedal than what you think. So now what I want to show you is where I think the pedal wasn't intended to be used, but where I use it. I really love it for lead tone. That's how I use this pedal a lot. I use it as a thickening agent almost. Without it. And I think they both sound great, but there's something about this. Now if I keep going up on the knob, watch what happens. And I hit properly. Now it's slightly boosting. Like I said, now it's a different pedal than it was just a second ago. Instead of a pedal that was removing kind of gain and adding thickness and low end response, now it's adding, it's like a boost. If we run it straight up, again without it, back to it. And if we go go into that fizzy territory. Now we're gonna get that harmonic fuzz pedal thing again. It's just crazy. I picked this up for, let's go ahead and mute this for a second. Where are we at? We'll do it from this side. Picked this up for 60 bucks used. That was a good deal, by the way. I found it in a store. Online, I think they're about $70 to $100. Definitely cool. They don't make them anymore. I can't imagine it's gonna go down in value. All right, guys, as always, thank you so much. And till next time, know your gear.